Grow your business with Social Growth Viral. There is a smarter way to get people interested in what you have to offer. This method doesn't require you to pay for Facebook or Google Ads. It's viral and it turns your subscribers into advocates for your business.
The threads of a social growth viral campaign tie in your social media engagement with a rewards program. This promotes your opt-ins to share your trackable link with others on social media. Their actions are boosted with email reminders for viral engagements. This generates traffic to your website, where you convert a buying belief to a buying decision. Use us to get viral social media traffic, opt-ins, engagements, brand awareness, likes, and sales. Like us. Social Growth Viral.